Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Yusuf, the tech guy. Today we'll be talking about web technology, or let me say web design. A lot of us will have been hearing web design and will have been seeing a lot of websites on the internet. And we'll have been wondering how this was built. I've taken you through everything from the scratch. You don't really need you don't really need to you don't really need to have a fear, because it's just very simple. So all you just need is to pay attention to this. So once you pay attention, I believe you're going to grab it. Okay, so please just give me your rapt attention. So with your rapt attention, you will get this. Okay, for this we'll be using one of the learning tools, which is very common to everyone. So we have the course guideline there. So the learning tool we'll be using is W3 Schools. So if you go to Google, you can type W3 Schools HTML. So you click on W3 School HTML. Okay, you can go to the first link you have there, W3 School HTML tutorial. So at first, what HTML means is that HTML is hypertext markup language. So by hypertext markup language, is a form of markup where you use different sets, where you use things like this. You can see we have greater than and less than sign. So where you have codes embedded in this, and they are translating, and at the end of the day, they are going to output different things to you. So that's what we call markup. Okay, so hypertext markup language can help you put contents like texts, videos, audios, and other things on your website. Okay, so you need to ensure you understand this. Okay, so in these tutorials we have several topics here that we'll be going through one after the other. So today we'll be talking about the introductory parts. Okay, so let's go to introduction. So as I've said earlier, HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. So web page are like pages you can find on the internet, just like this that I'm currently on, W3 School website. So this is a web page. So you can actually navigate between different web pages. So if you're on this page and you click on another link to take you to another page, so that is also a web page. So if I'm on this page and I click here and it takes me to another page, so that's a web page. So you will observe that as you are clicking, there's this write up that is changing. So can you see this is HTML editor.asp? So if you click here, you can see HTML intro.asp. So those are web pages. So you see whenever you navigate to a new web page, so you see the address change. So this is the address. This is a web address. Okay, so they call it URL. That's Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, so as I've said earlier, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So it's a standard markup language for creating web pages, and it describes the structure of a web page. So HTML consists of series of different elements. So there are different elements like you can have header, you can have title, you can have body, you can also have paragraph, just like everything you can do in a word processor just like Microsoft Word, you can also do it on a web page. You can also add media, you can also add some other things. So, and even you can do it to a complex form of artificially intelligent pages that performs some tasks. So you'll have seen some pages where where uh where like some schools offer automatic admission, okay, without anybody without anybody operating it. So you just enter your credentials and it gives you automatic admission. So those are expert systems, that's artificial intelligence and expert systems. Okay, so those are also, so there are also elements that can help you do that. Okay, so HTML elements tell the browser how to display the contents. Okay, so HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is heading, paragraph, link, and the likes. Okay, so a simple HTML document. Okay, so HTML, you need to have a page. Okay, so this is a simple HTML document. So one thing that this website have is it gives you an avenue to test run your codes. Okay, so this is a standard form of this. If you are creating if you are creating an HTML page, so this is a standard of what you should have. So it's just like body, it's just like a human being. So without skeleton, you'll not be able to stand. So this, you can say this is the skeleton of a web page. This is a skeleton of what a web page should have. Okay, so you see this doc type HTML. So this is a tag, they call it HTML tag. So, and one thing you need to note in HTML is whenever you open a tag, you must close it. So can you see that this tag is opened here and it's also closed here? So to close a tag, you only had a backslash. So to close a tag, you only add a what? Backslash. Okay, so we have, this is open HTML tag and this is close HTML tag. Okay, so for HTML tag is open at the beginning and is always closed at the end of the page. Okay, so in between this HTML tag, so we have head. So this head has the header parts of the website. Okay, so this head, so inside this head was opened here and it was closed after you have entered everything that has to do with the head. Okay, so in between this open head and closed head, so we have the title. So the title is always what you can find here. Is always what you can find here. Okay, so if you observe, you will see that we have open title and closed title. So anything that's between this open title tag and closed title tag is what will be displayed here. Okay, so title is the only thing we want to put under our head. So the head has been closed. So the body is just like at the body of your page. So all these places, all these environments that I'm scrolling through, so those are the things you can find on your body. Okay, so in between the body, so you write the content that you want to be seen on the body of the web page. Okay, so for this is not important for now, we'll get to it, but the most important thing is the content you can find here. So this is my first heading. So this H1 is just a heading, sort of. Okay, and this P is just a paragraph. So the body was opened here and the body was closed here. So anything you have here will be appearing in the body of your page. Okay, so I want us to try it out and create a sample of a page. Okay, so let's click on try it yourself. Okay, so you can see this is the environment. So ideally, if you are doing this on your computer, if you are not using W3 schools, if you are doing this on your computer, the ideal thing you should do is once you type all this, you can open your notepad, type all this, then save it as a document.html. But I'm going to show you how to do that for now, so don't bother yourself about it. So I just want you to see how this skeleton is displayed. Okay, so this page title, you may decide to put anything on your page title. Let me say my page. So however, this will not display here because we are just using, we are just trying it out on a sample web page. Okay, so for example, I want to display welcome to my web page on the body of the site. So I will now run it and see. So you can see here I have welcome to my web page. So there are several things you can do on this body. So like you can have background color. So apart from these tags, there are things we call attributes. So attributes are just like the name implies. It's just like the what you want to characterize the page by. For example, now this is my page. You can see the background is white. So but I want the background of my page to be let's say purple. So I'll just say body, or under this body, so you give a space and say bg color. So that is background color equal to, so you open what they call it, you open a quote and put the color you want. So I want purple color. So you come and run. So can you see the background of my page has turned to purple? So guys, we'll be ending our lesson here today. So please do ensure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you enjoy more of these lessons. So thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day.